Okay, so now you've collected your set of tools and you're ready to do some fly tying. Where do you begin and how do you begin? That becomes the question that you need to answer. And so let's get into it and give it a try. The first thing you're going to need to learn how to do is to fasten the thread to the hook. And it's really very simple. Right-handed people hold the thread in your left hand and wind on some turns onto the hook with the bobbin. Go back over those turns that you've just put on, and that anchors the thread onto the hook. Then you'll want to take a pair of scissors and clip off what is called the tag end. All right, now you're going to be ready to put some material on the hook. Let's take a small clump of some hair from a bucktail and prepare that in your hand. The instructions that you have say that the attachment point is about here on the hook. So what you want to do is align the ends, and holding the material between your thumb and forefinger, you turn the thread over the hook and you notice all the material gets pushed around the hook. How do you keep it where you want to put it up on top? What you do when watching the video, you grab the thread and pinch it in your thumb and forefinger. And that allows you to pull the thread down and create a loop that fastens the material to wherever you place it on the hook. Now what we're going to do is try the same thing again, but we'll use some darker material and a little bigger bunch. And here we're putting it down on the hook. Again, we align it with our fingers, place it down on the hook. Now watch, when you push the thread against the material, it wants to go around the hook. Pinch it like I just did. Again, another pinch, and make 2 soft loops and a couple of extra loops, and you can position the material wherever you want to on the hook. Then, as you continue to wind, you can create pressure and keep it anchored. Let's say you have a pattern that you want to tie, and it tells you to tie on some bucktail on the left side of the hook. So you prepare a bunch of bucktail and you get it ready in your hand. If your tie-in point is in the middle, just move your thread back to where the tie-in point is and do it again. Again, watch the pinch, another loop around with a pinch, and we've placed the hair where we want it. We can distribute the hair completely around the hook if we have to. And then as you press down, you put the material in place where it needs to be. And that's all there is to it.